Hi friends, so in this tutorial we will learn how to generate a script in SQL Server. So we will connect our local DB, and here in databases we are having tech DB. So in that we are having two tables, one is student table, another is user table. I will show you. In student table we are having three fields, and in user table we don't have anything. This is empty table. So what we will do, simply right click on TechDB and task generate script. So if we are generating a script, then it will ask you script entire database and all database objects. So we will select this, or else if you want one particular table, then we can select like this. So if you want the entire database, then we have to select this entire database, then next. Then in advance, what we have to select, here we are having schema only, type of data to script, schema only, this we need to change. Simply click on that and it will show you schema and data. So here we are having three options. Schema only means it will generate only schema, means only fields it will generate, and data means it will generate only data. And if we are selecting schema and data, then it will generate schema as well as data. So here we will select schema and data, then OK. Then where we want to store our script, then give some meaningful name here, like techdb something, database name also we can give, then save. So here it is storing in our database, then simply click on next, then next. Now our techdb is in progress, all are success, then finish. So as you can see, I will show you, here our techdb is created. Edit, or else open with our SSMS, or else we can open in notepad also, but for better understanding we will open in our SQL Server. So here I will show you how many tables. This is our DB name, and as this can be seen, create a table, then student, these are the parameters. So two tables schema it is created. Now it is inserting this. Okay, this is nothing but our data. These three fields it will insert. So if we are executing this now, if we execute this, then what it will get, it will store same like this, all the fields with data. So I will show you like we need to change the DB. So here what will get happen, create a database. So already we are having this database. So what we will do, we will type test for this. So what we are doing to do, we are creating a database. Example, click on execute, it is created database for us. So if we refresh this, tech db test, as of now we don't have any tables. If we run the entire script, it will create two tables with data. So I will show you. I have selected, okay, till here I am selecting, this is not required, only till here, up to here we are executing. So as of now we are executing these two tables with data. So if I execute this, what it will do, it will store in our new DB. So here we have to select tech DB test, then click on execute. As you can see, 3 rows are showing because 3 rows affected. I will show you here by refreshing. Here as you can see, we will be having two tables, student and user. If I show you the database also, as you can see, we are having same data which we have seen. This will be empty. So this is the process how to generate a script, and that existing script how to execute I have shown. So if you like the video, then please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.